What is going on today, ladies and gentlemen? Today we have another Walmart light bar going to be installed on a vehicle. This one is my brother. She picked it up. I think he said it was about $25. He ordered it off Amazon. I mean, not Amazon, Walmart.com. I'm kind of digging the blue. If it works out pretty good, I'll probably end up picking me one up to throw in between those Walmart pods that are on the Blazer. Yes, they're still there. They still work amazing. Still awesome little lights. Especially for the price that I paid for them. But yeah. So we're going to be wiring this one up. I wish it had came with the same kind of plug that mine did. Mine had the big box plug, so it was easy just to throw some dielectric grease down in it and plug it. And then when I got to unhook it, that's it. You know, this one, it was just the wires. So I ended up just put these little quick connect little crimp things on it. He's got a little wiring kit that has similar end to it. Yeah, see, it's got the similar end. We're going to be kind of just putting it together and throwing it on. But yeah, guys, so this is the new toy that we're going to be putting on today. We'll be right back. You'll see us putting it on and wiring it up. And we'll probably end up going out tonight testing it out. So we'll see you in just a minute. Or a second for you guys. Alright guys, so I got it kind of rigged up here. I wanted to test it before I went through the trouble of running all this wire in the car and mounting it on there and just making sure it was going to work. And I'm pretty impressed. I mean, granted it is daytime, but as you can see, it's, well, that's a light bulb there, but up above it, pretty doggone bright. Pretty nice little light bar for 25 bucks. Can't complain at all. Alright guys, well, we got it hooked up. We were planning on putting in that little hole down here, but it turned out to be just a hair too big for that hole, so we just put it on top of the bumper here. And we got it mounted up real good, nice. We gotta wait until it gets good and dark to kind of test the beam and set it at the angle he wants it, and yada yada yada. But we got the wire around, just stuck it under the grill and behind it there. Come up right there. Went up through here, of course, with the battery. We just went through the door jam for now. He's planning on putting a different kind of switch panel in the future, so we just kind of stuck it to there for now. This is just some little wiring harness he had laying around anyway, so if it messes it up and grounds it out and blows a fuse, whatever, it's got an on fuse, so it's not going to mess anything up too bad. Just taped up the excess wire and stuffed it in there. That's about it. I'm gonna flip it on for you guys right quick. Hang on just a second. We're going to test it out in just a minute. We'll throw some video in once it gets dark of it on, compared to headlights, high beam and low beam, and then I may even grab the Blazer and kind of set it side by side and see which one is better, whether it's two pods are better or this big bar is better. Which I will say, with this big bar, it's spot and flood, where my little pods are just spot. So this bar is most likely going to be a lot better than those two pods, but we'll see. Alright guys, we'll catch you in a minute. Alright guys, let's see if this is going to hold. Having a little trouble getting my phone to focus. Anyway, so this is low beam. There's high beam, and here is that light bar. Now, in my opinion, I think it needs to be aimed up a little bit, but I mean, it's still really bright. It's a lot brighter in person than it is on the camera. My phone is not doing all that great with this dark. But, so we got that pretty bright, and then we'll kill the headlights. That's just the light bar itself. So once again, there's the light bar. And then I'll bring the Blazer over here in this same spot, and we'll do the same thing with it, and I'll put them side by side. Alright guys. Alright guys, so here we are in the Blazer. This is dim. Brights. And the pods. I think this fence is thrown off a little bit, so The quality is probably crap right now, but you can see it kind of lights the trees up. And then we'll compare it to the Excursion. Let me turn the headlights off right quick. And then we'll do this. Alright, and then just the pods. And again, sorry about the video quality. My phone is being stupid right now. It's not wanting to focus in right, but I'll try and get a better quality comparison in the future. This is just so you guys can see a little bit. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We'll catch y'all next time. Have a good one.